Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aryan Uppin, currently studying in Shri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangaluru. Today I am going to cover the subject Introduction to Python Programming. Course code is PPLCK205B. Topic today I am going to cover is tuple operation and methods. So let's begin. Tuple operation and its methods using Python programming. Agenda. By the end of this video, you will understand about introduction, what are tuples, characteristics of tuples, creating a tuples, accessing elements, slicing, tuple operations, and lastly conclusion. So let's begin. Introduction. We will be diving into the world of tuples, which are an important data structure in Python. We will explore various operations and methods that you can use to manipulate tuples effectively in your Python programming. Tuples are immutable data structures in Python, and understanding their operations and methods is an essential for efficient programming. Tuples support various operations, including concatenation, repetition, membership testing, and slicing. What is concatenation? Combining two or more tuples using the plus operator. Repetition. Repeating a tuple multiple times using into operator. Membership testing, checking if an element is present in the tuple using the in operator. Slicing, extracting a subset of an element from a tuple using the slicing notation. What is tuple? Let's start by defining what a tuple is in Python. A tuple is an ordered collection of elements. One key feature of tuple is that they are immutable, meaning once they are created, their element cannot be changed. Tuples are represented by parentheses in Python code, which element separated by commas. Tuples in Python are ordered collection of elements that are immutable. They are similar to list, but the key distinction is that tuples immutable, which lists are mutable. This mutability makes tuple useful for representing fixed collections of items such as coordinates or records. Characteristics of tuples. Tuples are ordered. They maintain the order of elements as they are added. Tuples are immutable. Once created, their content cannot be changed, making them stable data structure. Tuples are heterogeneous. They can contain elements of different data types. Tuples support indexing and slicing operations. Creating a tuples. Now let's talk about how we can create a tuples in Python. Tuples can be created by using parentheses or the tuple constructor function. This gives us flexibility in how we initialize tuples in our programs. Here are a couple of examples demonstrating both methods. Tuples can be created using parentheses, that is my underscore tuple is equal to bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 bracket close. Alternatively, tuples can be created without parentheses, that is my tuple underscore is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Single element tuple require a trailing comma. Single element tuple is equal to comma of 42. Accessing elements. Once we have a tuple, we often need to access its element. In Python, we can do this using indexing. Indexing starts from 0, so the first element of the tuple has an index of 0. We can also use negative indexing to access elements from the end of the tuple. Let's see an example of how we can access elements from the tuple. Elements are accessible using 0 based index by using square bracket. Slicing. Slicing allows you to extract a subtuple from the original tuple. You specify a colon separated start, comma and comma step value within a square brackets. The start index defines the first element to the include. The end index defines the element after the last one of the include, and the step value determines how many elements to skip when iterating through the slicing. By default, the step value is 1, meaning all the elements are included. Extract a subtuple using slicing. Square bracket start colon and colon stop. Tuple operation. First one, concatenation. Concatenating tuple involves combining two or more tuples to create a new tuple. Syntax for the concatenation is tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Example for the concatenation is tuple 1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Tuple 2 is equal to a comma b comma c. Concatenated tuple is equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Print parenthesis concatenated tuple. Output for the above example is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma a comma b comma c. Repetition. Repetition is a tuple involve creating a new tuple by repeating the element of an existing tuple a certain number of times. Syntax for the repetition tuple is tuple into n. Example for that repetition is we assign the original tuple variable is equal to x comma y. We need to repetition of that original tuple in 3 times. We get the output x comma y in 3 times. Third, membership testing, checking if an element exists in a tuple. Example for that tuple is my underscore tuple is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Syntax for the above membership testing is element in the tuple. By using that syntax, we will come to know whether element is present in the tuple or not. Fourth, getting the number of elements in tuple. Syntax for that is len of tuple. Example, my tuple is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print that above variable length. Will output for that is 5. Fifth, maximum and minimum. Finding the maximum and minimum elements in the tuple. Syntax for that is minimum of the tuple and maximum of the tuple. Example for that is my tuple is equal to 52816. Print minimum of my tuple. Output for that is 1. Print max of my tuple. Output for that is 8. Conclusion. We have learned that tuples are immutable sequence in Python and they support various operations and methods for manipulation. Understanding how to work with tuples and their methods can greatly enhance your proficiency in Python programming, especially when dealing with the data structure and calculations. Thank you for watching.